Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Ovonic sent me a couple batteries, so we're going to do a little unboxing here and see what's in the box. This way it's showing 5200 milliamp, 50C high discharge, 7.4 volts. You see the label there. The box. There is the website. The sky is the limit. Yeah, we're gonna do a couple stickers right off the bat. Nice. So we're gonna charge these up and test them out. Run them in. I'm gonna put them in my Kyosho phaser. So it's a 2S right now. So here's the directions: charging, discharging, battery storage. Read that, fellas. Never done lipos before. Take the time. They are dangerous. Good but dangerous. So that looks like a 4S to me. And a lot of foam. Good. Keep the foam. It always comes in handy. And that's it for the box. Let's see. Okay, there's two packs in here. There we go. So they actually look like nice batteries. Nice hard case batteries. I don't want to ruin the battery already, huh? Okay. They come with a Dean's connector. I liked these guys are safety conscious right here. I love that. Put a little pad on there so it doesn't get doesn't ruin your battery scratching around. That's cool. I like that. So that's a nice little battery. Got the big plug for the balance port. Nice and easy to pull on. The Deans, these are good. It would have worked without stock, but I had already changed mine, so I'm going to change these into EC5s. I'm going to change both of them. That's what I use mainly on all of my batteries this big. My little batteries, I use these. You know, the little 800 milliamp ones. I'll use these, but everything else is EC5, so we're going to do that. We'll change both of these right away. I get them to fit in the car, otherwise they won't fit in any of my cars. They're too big. Too big for my small cars, and too wrong connector for the small cars, big cars. So there you go, guys. Both of them 5200 milliamp, 50C discharge, and it says high discharge. So I wonder if these are like a charging with 1C rate is recommended. Never charge over 2C rate. Charge rate. Yeah, when I charge mine, even though it says 5200, I'll do probably 4. I won't go all the way to 5200. Even if I'm in a hurry, I'll still do 4. It doesn't put so much strain on your batteries. They last longer. I've had battery in there for 1.5 years and it's perfect. So yeah, there you go, guys. We're gonna go test these out. Put them. We'll run them in the, like I said, the Kyosho phaser, MK2 AMG. See how long they last. Let's do a quick balance. Get that one to stick in there. I don't know if you guys can read that. 381, 380, 76, 380, 380. So that's a perfect storage charge. 760, 380, 380. Both of them. Both of them perfect balance charges. So then we'll charge them up, get them up. We'll test them before we put them in the car and see, make sure they go up to an even charge, 4.2. So, oh, and this one's just going to be a quick unboxing. Is all this video is, guys. And a quick sticker shout out to Island RC Duke. Go to his YouTube page. Subscribe. He's a good guy, good content. He got this sticker right here and this little card right here. It's almost like a business card almost, so it's kind of cool. So yeah, go check him out, guys. Island RC Duke. He's you got him up on the board there. Island RC Duke. Sticker's the same as that one. So big shout out to him for the stickers. Thanks, bud. Got you on my sticker wall with everybody else. Getting a little collection there going. Got down in here, I got the parts and where I've got cars from, and I'm putting around that. I'm putting all the RC channels. So, all right, guys. I'm gonna take these and solder on some new ends. So that's my next agenda for this. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I appreciate all you guys. You know, all you subs. I'm getting up there. I think I'm at like 2 1/4. So thanks for watching.